Next time on Here's the Plan.
I know it's been a while. There's been a lot of work going on at the castle and it's been hard to show all of it. A lot of it is behind the scenes, or a lot of it's like the carpentry or the painting or the flooring that's going on for all of the different rooms and aspects and floors of the castle. This is almost like kind of like a, hey, here's a little bit of a sneak peek before we have our big day of moving everything in, hanging everything up, showing you the finished product. Coming soon is the big reveal of the hideaway.